This year, we officially released this Beretta optic ready system. So, all Beretta doesn't have optic ready system. We create this plate so you can put the radar on this plate. So you will directly turn your Beretta to optic ready style. So, what's special about this plate? This plate is multiple footprint design. So you can put a ducted red dot. You can also put a Trigicon red dot. So it's multiple use. And also we have different G10 grips here. This is real G10 made by CNC. So it will give you much more handy gripping for your pistol. Also, this year we have a new high cap series. You know, SRC pistols are famous for its dual power system. So you can switch the gas magazine and CO2 magazine. You don't have to change anything on the gun. This year, we create this high cap series. We have 3 different models: new slide, new compensator, better airtight. So this new model gives you more blowback. Also, the new model comes with quick release CO2 magazine. CO2 cartridge goes from the back, and you can use your Allen key, screw down here. You don't need to release the CO2 cartridge cap. You just got it from the back. So very easy to use, very quick change. And there's a bonus. Sometimes, if we use the old CO2 cartridge, the CO2 cartridge goes from the side, and if you put the CO2 magazine in this skeleton grip, you will see the CO2 cartridge. But the new CO2 magazine opens from the back. So when you insert to this skeleton grip style, nothing happens. Perfect look. Okay, next. Last year, we present you SRC GBB M4. Comes with forged receiver and CNC handguard, and also it's hard anodized. It got a super powerful blowback because we have a CNC steel bolt. It creates very powerful blowback. And this year, we give you 2 short CQB models. All the spec is the same as the long models, as a standard one. But now we have a CQB version.